Hey, it's that time already. Fall is around the corner, and it's time to head back to campus. We have a lot of exciting things going on this year. It's a year of celebration. One of the things is behind me. Donnan Hall is being renovated. You're going to see the new and improved College of Business and Entrepreneurship move in there in about a year or so. It's going to take us a while to get that done, but we have construction all over campus. The general store has been redone, and we have now combined the post office and all of our off-campus deliveries, the general store and the bookstore all in there with new swag. We even have stuffed animal swag. And we'll look forward to seeing you visit that soon. You'll see the Student Center getting some new renovations as well. We've added faculty, we've added some new programs, and it's an exciting year to be around North Greenville. And hey, how about that baseball national championship? We'll be celebrating that this year as well. Football starts up against Furman in just a couple of weeks. We're excited about a crosstown rivalry there. And hey, it's going to be a great semester. We look forward to seeing you on campus soon and just cannot wait to see this year rocking and rolling.